What are you going to do? What's going to change your business by taking these funds today? And a lot of times you're going to get them where, like on this uh, one restaurant in Maryland, they took $25,000. They need a little bit more, but they just didn't qualify for that. So we don't talk to them about tranche funding. We talk to them about stage funding. How this 25,000 can help you right now. Why pay for the other 25 when you don't need it right now? In 60 days, we can get you another 25,000, and we start talking about what are you going to do with them? How is this going to help? Man, this sounds like you've got a really good plan in place, so we're going to be spending a lot more time doing that